Today, something very important for you, answering a lot of questions I've been receiving. First off, thanks for joining. I'm Michael Neer. Thanks. Welcome to the channel. We're at 450 subscribers, want to reach 1,000. So all of you subscribers, thank you so much. If you just joined the channel, there are links down below. Today we're going to talk about an Agile Planning Board. במקרה הכינותי מראש, always wanted to say that, that's in Hebrew, the template for the board. And we're going to talk what happens before we do the Kanban planning. So this is an Agile approach to plan for daily, weekly, and monthly. And I think it's really important now with COVID-19 that it's hard for us to wrap our heads around the days and the weeks and the months. So this would help you with that. You can do that with your friends, family, and of course with your business teams if you want to reach that business agility. So I'm going to create a board that I'm going to break into 3 lanes, right? Just like this. And over here I'm going to do monthly, and this is weekly, and this is daily. And what you do, and again, this is a collaborative planning session. Even if you're on Zoom, it's always nice someone has a board or a wall that they can jot down things, because it makes it much more real when you use the real world, not the virtual one, and not virtual board. So there can be one scribe, maybe it's your scrum master, maybe it's your product owner. If you're not familiar with these terms, again, links down below. So we can write what things we want to do here monthly. Let's say it's 15th of May to the 15th of June. So we capture things we want to do here, right? What makes this an Agile planning board is that we time box. Rather than creating projects into the future, we time box what we want to achieve. So we look at those monthly ideas or monthly initiatives, and then we start breaking them down, and we ask ourselves, what can we complete next week? And we break these down. Now, here's an Agile coach tip. When you break things down, you want to make them kind of same size, because it makes tracking much, much easier. Once you created this planning with the team, the next thing is, what are the set of things I want to achieve on a daily cadence, right? So what are the small things I want to achieve on a daily? Again, I'm breaking them down this way. The important thing here is not to ask how long something will take. The profound idea here is to answer the question, what can I achieve in a day? And that's totally different than traditional planning, which would answer how long will something take and how much work is needed. We're flipping this question around, flipping what is called the iron triangle in project management. We're asking the question, what can I potentially achieve in a month, in a week, and in a day? And that's that profound agile thinking will get you to business agility. So this is what I have for you today. Then you can use these daily tasks and connect them next to the Kanban board. Now, there weren't any flying cats today, but you can look at previous videos. We didn't talk about any bloopers, previous videos. They're all links that I've added to the channel. So Agile Planning Board comes before your Kanban, comes before other daily routines that you're doing. Thank you so much. My dad was asking me, why am I doing all these videos? So here's an answer for you, Dad. I'm doing this just because I think now with COVID-19, people need powerful tools to engage with and to work with, and that will serve them in good planning and in good management of the days and the weeks. Thank you so much for joining. More next time.